Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss or solving rational expression part 3. We are now in number 10. Simplify a squared minus 36 over a squared minus 49 divided by a plus 6 over a plus 7. To simplify, this time our plan is to find the quotient because the given is division. Now, to find the quotient of this given rational expression, we're going to copy first the given first rational expression, a squared minus 36 over a squared minus 49. Then the division symbol change to multiplication, and we're going to apply now the reciprocal method. So the reciprocal of a plus 6 over a plus 7 is equals to a plus 7 over a plus 6. Then our next step is to find the factor, because a squared negative 36 is a perfect square. So we're going to factor this by the factor of a squared is a, and the factor of 36 is 6 and 6. And since the sign here is negative, we have negative and positive for the sign. Then for denominator, we have a squared minus 49, so we're going to factor also because 49 is a perfect square and also the a squared. So the factor of a squared is a, and the factor of 49 is 7 and 7. Since we have here negative, our answer is 1 negative and 1 positive. Then for the second rational expression, since already a prime, so we have just only copy a plus 7 over a plus 6. Then next, we're going to cancel, or we're going to divide the same numerator and denominator. Since a plus 7 is the same with denominator a plus 7, we're going to cancel and put 1. Then a plus 6 also the same by a plus 6, then we have to cancel and put 1. Then our next step is to multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1 times a negative 6 equals a negative 6 over, we have 1 times 1 times a negative 7, so we have a negative 7. So our final answer is a minus 6 over a minus 7. Okay, next, number 11. Find the quotient of b squared minus 64 over b squared minus 8b divided by b plus 8 over 1. So to find the quotient of this given rational expression, so we're going to use a reciprocal method. So the first thing we do is to copy the first rational expression, b squared minus 64 over b squared minus 8b. Then the divisions symbol change to multiplication, and we're going to find the reciprocal of b plus 8 over 1, so it becomes 1 over b plus 8. And after that, our next step is to find the factor of b squared and negative 64. So we can find the factor of this because 64 and b squared is a perfect square. So the factor of b squared is b, and the factor of 64 is 8 and 8. And once we have a negative here, our sign for the factor, we have 1 negative and 1 positive. Then next, we're going to also to find the factor of the denominator, b squared and negative 8b. So our factor of this is 1 parenthesis, and the factor of b squared is b, and factor of 8 is 8. Okay, that's the factor of 8b, we have 8. Then for the next rational, the second rational expression, so we have just only copy because this is already prime. Then after that, we're going to look for the same denominator. Then we're going to divide it or cancel. So b negative 8, b negative is the same. We're going to cancel that and put 1. Then b plus 8 is the same. So we're going to put 1 again. And after that, we're going to multiply directly. 1 times 1 equals 1 times 1 equals 1. Then 1 times 1 equals 1 times b equals b. So our answer is equals to 1 over b. And next, number 12, simplify b squared minus 6b plus 9 over b minus 3 divided by b squared minus 9 over b plus 3. Simplify means we're going to find the product of this given rational expression. Our finding quotient is to apply the reciprocal method. Okay, the first thing we do is to copy the first rational expression, b squared minus 6b plus n over b minus 3. Then the division change to multiplication symbol. Then find the reciprocal of b squared negative 9 over b plus 3. So the reciprocal of this is b plus 3 over b squared minus 9. Then next step is find the factor of b squared negative 6b plus 9. So the factor of that we will use two parentheses, and the factor of b squared is b and b, and the factor of 9 is 3 and 3. And we're going to check negative 3b times negative 3b equals negative 3b. Then we're going to add, we have negative 6b. Okay, it's correct. So if our sign here is negative and negative, because negative times negative equals positive. That's how to check. Then copy the denominator, because the denominator is a prime, just only copy. Then b plus 3 is a prime, copy also, but this denominator b squared negative 9, we have a factor for this, and the factor we have to make two parentheses, and the factor of b squared is b and b, and the factor of 9 is 3 and 3. And so once we have negative here, our answer we have 1 negative and 1 positive. And after that, our next step is to find the same numerator and the same denominator. So b negative 3 is the same with b negative 3. So we have put 1 and 1. Then b negative 3 is the same with b negative 3 here. So we have put 1 and 1. Cancel that. Then b plus 3 is the same with b plus 3 here, the denominator. So we have put 1 again. And then we have directly multiply 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. Then 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. And 1 divided by 1 equals 1. So this is our final answer. And next, number 13, simplify b plus 2 over b plus 3 plus 1 minus 7 over b minus 5. So simplify means we're going to, our plan is to combine this first and second rational expression into one single rational expression. Our solution, first step is we're going to find the LCD. Okay, the LCD of b plus 3, since cannot be factored, so therefore this is a prime number, and b negative 5 cannot be factored, so this is a prime. So we have to do, the denominator is prime, we're going to multiply this. So that will be our LCD. But first we're going to arrange this one. We're going to multiply b plus 3 times 1. So b plus 2 copy, then multiply b plus 3 plus 1 equals b plus 3 over, copy the denominator, then copy the minus sign, and copy the second rational expression. Then next we're going to combine like terms of the numerator here. So b plus b equals 2b, 2 plus 3 equals 5, then copy the denominator, and copy also the second rational expression. And next we're going to b plus 3, b plus negative 5. So we're going to have the denominator, and we're going to divide b plus 3 cancelled, so the remaining is b negative 5. So then multiply here in numerator, we have 2b plus 5 times b negative 5. Then minus 7, the numerator, and b negative 5 cancelled, and the remaining is b plus 3. So b plus 3 multiplied by negative 7. And next is we're going to simplify 2b plus 5b plus negative 5. 2b plus b equals 2b squared. So we're going to multiply that. Then 5b multiply 2b times 5 equals 10b negative. Then 5b times b equals 5b. Then negative 5 times negative 5 equals negative 25. Negative 7 times b equals negative 7b. Then negative 7 times positive 3 equals negative 21. Then combine like terms. So 2b squared. Then negative 10b. Then 5b. Then negative 7b. Negative 25. Then negative 21. After arrange yan, so we're going to add negative 2b squared and combine negative 10b and negative 7b equals 17b, then minus 5b. So we have negative 12b, then negative 25 plus negative 21, we have negative 46. Then copy the denominator b plus 3b with negative 5. Then factor this numerator. The common factor for 2, 12, and 46 is 2. Then we're going to divide. 2b squared divided by 2 equals b squared. And negative 12b divided by 2 equals negative 6b. Then negative 46 divided by 2, we have negative 23. And copy the denominator. So therefore, this is our final answer. Next, number 14. Find the LCD of 2 over AB plus 3 over A squared plus 6 over BC. Our solution, we have to factor first. The factor of AB is A times B, the factor of B squared is A times A, and the factor of BC is B times C. Then we have to get our LCD now is 1A here, and what is common, so we have just get only 1A. That's representative for our LCD, and we have 2b, so we have only 1, and c only 1, just copy, and we have to multiply this. A times c equals c squared, b times c equals bc. So this will be our LCD. Or in short, if we're going in a shortcut way, if you know how to find the LCD in a quick manner, the highest exponent, if we have a, and the highest exponent we're going to get. The highest exponent for A is A squared. And for B is common, so just only copy 1B. And C is only 1, so just copy. That's a shortcut way.